Hey guys, hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So I'm actually doing laundry outside and I decided to do this video. So I recently got a bag that I'm excited about and I wanted to share with you guys. This is the Marc Tote. This guy right here, it is sturdy right here. It comes with a brown strap which I took out, and I decided to get this one because I do carry a lot of stuff and I'm always trying to be hands-free, you know, running around after my son and stuff like that. So I added this strap which really helps to take the stress off your, your shoulder and stuff like that. So this is the bag here. I have it filled up with all my stuff right here. So I got it for about $2.29. But if you look at Mercari, Poshmark, and all this other website, they have it really cheap. So you can get it through that if you want it used. It comes in black, brown, and I believe I saw a pink one at the store. So it has a zipper right here that you can close it with, right here, to keep all your stuff from falling out. And then when you open it, there's also an extra pocket in here. You guys can't see it as much, but yeah, it has a little pocket on the side right here. To keep anything that's personal that you don't want falling out. It is super sturdy, but it does not have feet, which was kind of a bummer. So you have to set it down somewhere. But you also don't have to baby it. That's what I really like about it. You don't have to baby the purse. It feels so sturdy, guys. And I think over time it will kind of soften up. But overall, I mean, it's a great work bag. You could put like your tablet, your laptop, cords and all that stuff when you're going to work. And if you're a mom like me and you need to carry like little things right there, like little mini toys that, Hot Wheels, like my son loves, like snacks, you could put it in there. And yeah, but I love it so much. I've been using it almost daily. And yeah.